2015 Purehua was born, focusing on the research and development of key technologies for micro and nanodust filtration and safety. The company adheres to the mission of making dust removal safer, adhering to the dual drive of technological innovation and market orientation. New energy production line dust control, intelligent equipment process dust removal, comprehensive control of scattered dust and vacuum cleaning and sweeping system, 4 application scenarios, continuous iteration of micro and nano dust capture and filtration and explosion-proof safety technology. Provide global customers with factory environment purification system solutions. Through years of development, Purehua's scale is expanding continuously. Business capacity is constantly upgraded. Qualifications are constantly enriched. Purehua now has 1 headquarters, 2 production bases and 5 offices. R&D technical team of more than 80 people. Drafted 2 national standards as the main participant, possesses 65 patents, soft writings, and other intellectual property rights. In 2023, Purehua was awarded the title of the 5th batch of national specialties in New Small Giants. At the same time, it has many honors and qualifications, such as National High-Tech Enterprise, Environmental Protection Engineering Qualification Level 2, and the first batch of explosion-proof certification for 1.5 to 11 kilowatt machine in China. Purehua's corporate mission is for safety. Make the environment safer. Purehua's mature technology and products can eliminate explosive dust, combustible dust, sparking fume, and other safety hazards. Make equipment safer. Purehua's professional dust capturing technology and solution. Prevent dust spillage. Make products safer. Purehua's comprehensive and professional solutions for the industry ensure production yield, consistency, and safety. Make workers safer. Purehua's professional dust removal keeps users away from occupational diseases such as pneumoconiosis and asthma. Technology leads the future, innovation drives development. Purehua is based in China and radiates globally. Over the years, Purehua has carried out technical exchanges and cooperation with many famous environmental protection enterprises in Germany, Sweden, the United States, and other countries, and its products and system engineering design capabilities have reached the international advanced level. In 2023, Purehua will serve more than 2,000 customers, accumulated delivery of more than 15,000 units in stable operation. Purehua has become a highly recognized partner of leading companies such as China CRRC, CHN Energy, Hans Laser, Lead Intelligent Equipment, Yingyi Technology, Ganfeng Lithium, etc. Purehua relies on AIoT plus 5G, big data, edge computing, and other technologies by upgrading the dust removal equipment system and installing intelligent sensing hardware. Purehua realizes full-time, all-round, accurate, and efficient whole life cycle operation and management of equipment operation. Provide customers with one-stop intelligent manufacturing digital solutions to reshape the value of high-end manufacturing, helping China's high-quality development. Times are changing. Purehua's initial goal of protecting the environment remains unchanged. We will move forward with the footsteps of Purehua people. We will leave our footprints in this beautiful era, committed to becoming the industry leader in the field of factory environment purification.